Hello class, in today's video we are going to discuss fractional exponents. Fractional exponents may look very scary, but at the end of this video it will be really fun. Let's delve right into this.
Welcome to Math with Father. Welcome to Math with Father. Subscribe, like and share.
Now looking at our first exponential fraction, which is 16 to the power 3/4. Now looking at the denominator 4, what this means is we want a positive number that multiplies itself 4 times, giving us 16. We know that 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 gives us 16. Let's consider the numerator 3. So what this means is we need 3 of these numbers. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So this is thrice of these. And in an index form, this can be written in the form 2 raised to the power 3, and this gives us 8. So 16 to the power 3/4 gives us 8. Let's consider the second example, 125 to the power 2/3. So considering the denominator 3, we want a number that multiplies itself 3 times, giving us 125. Now 5 by 5 by 5 also gives us 125. Let's consider the numerator 2. So meaning we need twice of these numbers. 5 by 5, and in an exponential form we have 5 raised to the power 2, and our result is 25, meaning 125 to the power 2/3 gives us 25. Now to the last example, -8 to the power 4/3. Considering the denominator 3, meaning we need 3 numbers. So we need negative number repeating itself 3 times, that gives us -8. And these are the numbers, -2 multiplying itself 3 times gives us -8. To our numerator 4, meaning we need 4 of these numbers, and another -2 has to be added to this. So we have -2 multiplying itself 4 times, and that gives us 16. So -8 to the power 4/3 gives us 16. Now this is the simplest approach in finding or resolving a fractional exponent. But what we normally see in our textbooks is when we are given (16 raised to the power 3/4). So what we normally see is 16 to the power to the 4th root, all multiplied by 3. So this is what we normally see expressing our fractional exponent in this form, and then 16 to the fourth root also gives us 16 to the fourth root, all multiplied by 3. So 16 to the fourth root gives us 2 raised to the power 4. Now the fourth root cancels. 4, 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 3, and our result is 8. So this is what we normally see in our textbooks, and this is a longer approach. Now, considering what we just did previously, it's very simple to get the results in less than 30 seconds. So if this was very helpful, please subscribe and let's make math and science a
Subscribe,
reality.
like and share.
Now I'm going to give some questions out to try your hands on, and you leave your answers in the comments. Now try these out and leave your answers in the comments. Thank you. I'm out.